Hey mathletes, in this video we are going to work on substituting. So we're going to evaluate this expression for when n equals 3 and x equals 2. So anywhere we see an n, we plug in a 3. Anywhere we see an x, we plug in a 2. You can write these with parentheses around them to help you out so you can see exactly what you're doing, and I'll go ahead and do that now. So I have 4n squared minus 2nx, and remember that's n times x. So this will be 4, instead of this n here, I will plug in a 3, 4 times 3 squared, minus 2, parentheses around this whole thing, and instead of n, I'm going to plug in that 3, instead of x, I have a 2. And now it's just order of operations. So I can go through, and the first thing that we'll do is simplify within parentheses. I have within these parentheses here, I have a 3 times a 2. Now remember the parentheses around them are just placeholders, but I still need to do 3 times 2 first. That'll be 6. Now I'm going to copy everything down exactly as it was. 4 times 3 squared minus 2 times 6. This line is exactly the same as the one above it. We've just simplified 3 times 2. Now, even though I have a parentheses around this 6 here, there's nothing to do within parentheses. The next thing I'm going to do is my exponents. So I have 3 squared. That's next. Notice I'm not doing 4 times 3 first. I do exponents before multiplication or division. 3 squared, that's the same as 3 times 3, and you can just make a note of that, that's 9. So now I have 4 times 9 minus 2 times 6. Okay, now I'm going to do multiplication and division from left to right. 4 times 9, that'll give us 36, and that's 36 minus 2 times 6. I'm going to just move this over here because I've run out of room. So I have 36 minus 2 times 6. Now I still have multiplication here, so I'm going to do 2 times 6 now. I have 36 minus, and 2 times 6, that gives us 12. Now our final thing we're going to do is this subtraction. 36 minus 12, that'll give us 24. And 24 is our final answer for this. So when you are doing this, be sure that you are plugging in values with parentheses and that you are following the correct order of operations. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.